Welcome to Linux Help, how to use Asterisk Dialplan context priority label on Oracle Linux 9.3. Asterisk's common practice is to assign text labels to priorities. This is to ensure that you can refer to a priority by something other than its number, which probably isn't known, given that dialplans now generally use unnumbered priorities. To assign a text label to a priority, simply add the label inside parentheses after the priority. Check the OS version by using the below command. OS version of the Oracle Linux is 9.3. Next, check the asterisk status by using the below command. The asterisk service is running and active. Next, go the following location using the following command. Edit the extension .conf file for making dialplan using priority label by using the below command. Add the following lines in extensions.conf file. Save and exit from the file. Now log into the asterisk CLI mode by using the following command. Once reload the dialplan by using the following command. Now try to make a call by using Zoiper and microsip software. Now make a call from 168 to 167. Now the call is coming from 168 to 167. Now the priority label on asterisk is working fine. This is the process to use priority label on asterisk dialplan context on Oracle Linux 9.3.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.